Well, welcome everybody back to the Figure Kit Garage, fellow resin heads and kit builders. Brent Krug with another out-of-the-box review. The kit on the table is the latest offering in the GigantAurora bust series from Escape Hatch Hobbies. This is the GigantAurora Godzilla. This is a 9-piece kit, 1 piece in cast resin and 8 pieces that are 3D printed, which was sculpted by Michael Berglund. This kit was first offered on March 9th for pre-sale. It was limited to 10 pre-sales only at a cost of $80. It's going to go up. It was estimated in the post, and it could change. It's not being offered yet on Escape Hatch Hobbies website by about $5 or so, so we'll have to wait and see how much that goes up. This kit is based on the original Aurora Godzilla plastic kit. It is stylized, but it is a fantastic recreation of an iconic kit that was released way back in the 1960s. Altogether, the pre-sale price was $80, and with the shipping and handling, I paid $92.50. And this is the 9th in the series. The Bride of Frankenstein is coming. It has not been announced when, but I couldn't wait to get this. I jumped on it when it was first announced. And if you remember, for anybody that's subscribed or who may have seen it, I reviewed the GigantAurora mummy bust in February of last year. So we're going to go ahead and take a look at all these pieces, and we'll start off with this base. Destroyed city ruins surrounding Godzilla's body. Very nicely detailed, and it does look a lot like the original Aurora kit in just about every respect. Little divot for the nameplate. The nameplate is actually really, really well done. I got to hand it to Michael. He did a fantastic job on this. And keys for the dorsal spines on his back. Take a look at the building, 3D printed. And when I got the kit, the building was missing, and just to attest to Todd Powell's customer service, I messaged him that day, and he had the building out to me as fast as he could. I actually got it on Wednesday, as a matter of fact. So, you know, big shout out to Todd Powell for getting this to me as fast as he possibly could. But really nice detail for, you know, ruined city base. And we'll put this together as we go. And everything is keyed properly for a really good fit. Make sure I get that right. And that'll sit in just like so. And the nameplate, destroyed brick wall. You know, detailed all the way around. Really nice attention to detail all the way around to the backside. Lots of little bricks to paint, but no big deal to make it look even better. Just like the Aurora box art. It'll fit in just like so. I'm really excited about this kit. I'm happy that I got it. Unlike a lot of folks in this hobby, I never built any of the Aurora kits when I was a kid. And I kind of look back on that now, and I almost kind of regret it. You know, they look like they would have been a lot of fun to build. Godzilla's paw. Very nicely sculpted texture all the way around. Has enough lines in his hand you could take him to a fortune teller and get his palm read. But really, really beautiful detail. It'll plug into his wrist, just like that. And then the head, recessed eyes, teeth detail. Trying to hand sculpt all those teeth would have been a real pain in the butt for Michael. I can understand why he went with the 3D sculpting and printing. Just beautifully textured all the way up and down. And then the lower jaw. Texture on the tongue. The teeth and underneath that jaw. Very nice and plugs in very well. A little bit of putty work on the underside, but nothing, too difficult to resculpt. Beautiful fit. And all these 3D printed parts have been completely cleaned. There's no print supports that have to be cleaned off in any way. So really, really nicely done. And for those of you who haven't been to Escape Hatch Hobbies website, these guys have been around for quite a while doing conversion parts and add-on parts to kits from Mobius, Monarch, Polar Lights, Revell. They just added a whole bunch of add-on parts and conversion parts to the just recently released Monarch the Fly kit. One of which that I really do like and I'm thinking about doing is the lizard from the Spider-Man comic series. It actually looks really, really good. But they have a whole bunch of conversion parts. We have another one for the Dr. Jekyll and Mr. Hyde that converts him into Vincent Price from the Tingler. And we got that during Wanta Fest several years back during the pandemic. I guess I don't have enough putty on him for his head to stay still. One more time. I guess he's not going to cooperate, but his head's not going to fall off. And this will be just a hair under 6 inches in overall height when completed. And then we have the plates on his back. Gorgeous detail all the way around. Again, no cleanup whatsoever. Makes it a lot more fun, but cleanup is a part of the hobby. You just can't get around it. And then the second plate, or fin, whatever you want to call it. And these will just slide right in like so. A little bit of putty work that'll have to be done, a little bit of sanding, and it'll be completely blended in. Of course, do you paint it and then glue it, or do you glue it and then paint it? That's the question. And that's up to the individual builder. And then that one will plug in like so. And there we have. I'm going to lower the camera a little bit here. If it will let me lower it. There we go. Sorry about the camera shake. And there we have the GigantAurora Godzilla. A really great addition. I can't wait to see what they do for the Bride of Frankenstein. That ought to be really interesting to see. And as I said, there's no listing for this Godzilla on the Escape Hatch Hobbies website. I'm not sure when that's going to be available. And there's no release date as yet for the Bride of Frankenstein. But all of these kits that they have for the GigantAurora series are really beautiful. They're great tributes to plastic kits that have been re-released numerous times. And to find original Aurora monster model kits from the 1960s without paying a hefty price is damn near impossible. So keep an eye out on Escape Hatch Hobbies. I'll leave their website information below, as well as their Facebook contact information. And as soon as these become available, if you're a fan of the Aurora kits, if you're a fan of Godzilla, I think this one is definitely one you want to have in your collection. So very big thanks to Todd Powell and Michael Berglund for the great sculpt, the casting, the customer service. All around Escape Hatch Hobbies. They've been around for a while. Let's hope they stay around for a long, long while to come. So that's it for this review. I want to say thank you to everybody who has subscribed recently. the ones that have stuck around for the last, wow, coming up on 5 years of the Figure Kit Garage. Can't believe it's been almost 5 years now, this coming April. Wouldn't be around if you guys hadn't stuck with me, and I do appreciate it. Also, check out Model Club TV, Jason Walker and Scott Johansson. Monster Model Review, another long-standing review channel. He's been around longer than I have, and he still keeps going. Just Paint It, Jerry Freyd's channel, and Anya's channel as well here on YouTube. Check them out. Their links will be down below. Give them a like and subscribe. Give me a like and subscribe. I can use more friends. So for this review of the GigantAurora Godzilla, sculpted by Michael Berglund, produced by Todd Powell over at Escape Hatch Hobbies. This has been the Figure Kit Garage. Everybody enjoy your weekend. Stay happy, stay healthy, stay safe. Build a kit.